Have you ever looked up at the sky and wondered why it's blue? It's one of those simple questions that sounds easy, but hides a world full of science, color, and wonder. From the time we're kids, we draw the sky in blue without even thinking about it. But if you've ever noticed how the sky changes, bright blue at noon, golden at sunset, or pink at dawn, you've already seen the magic of light in action. So today, let's explore what's really happening up there, how sunlight, air, and a little bit of physics work together to paint the sky above us every single day. Sunlight might look white, but it's actually made of many colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Together, they make up what we call the visible spectrum. Each color travels as waves. Long waves for red and orange, shorter waves for blue and violet. When sunlight reaches Earth, it doesn't just fall straight through. It passes through a thin layer of gases and tiny particles, our atmosphere. And that's where the magic begins. As light moves through the air, it bumps into molecules of nitrogen and oxygen. These tiny molecules scatter the light in every direction. But here's the secret. Blue light waves are shorter than red ones, and shorter waves scatter much more easily. This process is called Rayleigh scattering. Because blue light spreads across the sky in every direction, it's what we see most clearly with our eyes. That's why the sky appears beautifully blue during the day. But what about sunsets? Why does the sky suddenly turn red and orange when the sun goes down? Well, when the sun is near the horizon, sunlight has to travel through a much thicker slice of the atmosphere. The blue light scatters away before it ever reaches your eyes, leaving the longer red and orange waves to color the evening sky. So, the same science that gives us a blue sky also creates those warm, glowing sunsets. Here's something even more fascinating. The sky isn't actually pure blue. It's a mix of violet and blue light scattered together. But our eyes are more sensitive to blue, and the upper atmosphere absorbs some of the violet light, so we see mostly blue. And in space, things are completely different. Astronauts don't see any blue at all. Without an atmosphere to scatter sunlight, the sky looks pitch black, even when the sun is shining. So that thin layer of air around our planet isn't just keeping us alive, it's creating the colors of our world. Every time you look at the sky, you're watching sunlight that traveled more than 150 million kilometers from the sun, hit the atmosphere, and scattered just right to paint our world blue. That's not just science. That's art, written by the universe itself. And it happens every single second of every single day. The sky reminds us that even ordinary things can be full of beauty and mystery. When you understand why something happens, it doesn't make it less magical. It makes it more. Because behind that endless blue lies a story of light, color, and discovery. So the next time you step outside, take a moment to look up. That blue above you isn't just color, it's sunlight, scattered in wonder. This is Wondermind, where curiosity meets inspiration. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep wondering.